Year 6, Lesson 1, Extensive Challenge, Question 1. 3 to the power of 10 times 4 to the power of 15 times 5 to the power of 10 is equal to a to the power of 10. Find the value of a. So we're trying to combine all three of these terms into one expression with a power of 10. So this question is going to practice the knowledge that if we have two numbers to the same power, like a to the power of n times b to the power of n, then we can multiply those bases together only when we have the same power, and we end up with ab all to the power of n. Okay, so if I can get all these to the power of 10, then I can combine by multiplying the bases. So let's break this down, and we have 3 to the power of 10 times by 4 to the power of 10, and I cannot just change the power. So remember, when you have the same base, that you can add the powers together. So I can break this 15 powers of 4 into 4 to the power of 10 times 4 to the power of 5. So notice, because they're both base of 4, together they'll have a power of 15. And then we have 5 to the power of 10 too. And this needs to be equal to a to the power of 10, one number to the power of 10. Okay, why have I split the 4 into a 10 and a 5? Well, now, if we think about it, we end up with 3 to the power of 10 times by 4 to the power of 10 times by 5 to the power of 10. So I've just changed the order at this point, and that's going to help me to see that I can multiply those bases together. They all have powers of 10. So we end up with 3 times 4 times by 5, all to the power of 10 times by 4 to the power of 5. Okay, which is equal to 12 times 5 is 60 to the power of 10 times 4 to the power of 5. Now, I'm looking to try and make sure we all have the same power of 10, so I can combine it into one term. But at the moment, I've got a power of 5. Okay, so is there any way I can change this power? So I guess, if you think about the number 4, the base, 4 is equal to 2 squared. Okay, we all know that. So instead of having 4 to the power of 5, I can write this as 2 squared all to the power of 5, which is now going to give me that power that I wanted in the first place. So going back to where we were, this is equal to 60 to the power of 10 times by, 2 to the power of 10, as we've just seen. So now and only now can we combine those bases together, because they have the same power, and we have 120 to the power of 10. So our value of a is 120, and we're finished.